back to the Suntop channel. In the last video, we compared the 2.5D with the standard portable fiber laser equipment. In this episode, we will focus on introducing the 3D series to you. The 3D portable fiber laser machine revolutionized traditional two-dimensional marking by enabling versatile, all-around engraving capabilities. It easily handles various 3D shapes, including bevels, cylinders, cones, and spheres, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Compatible with mainstream 3D software, it allows direct import of graphics, which can be quickly edited for streamlined operation. Apart from the 3D equipment being 7 kilograms heavier than before, its business capabilities are comprehensive. If you are also considering purchasing this equipment, you can ask us about any detailed questions at any time. Suntop is here. Thank you for your subscription.